Losing. Who likes to lose? We want to have winning days. We want to win more than we lose, right? In pocket options, anything over like 55%. If your trading winning percentage is over 55%, odds are you have a positive account balance that will continue to grow as you continue to trade. However, we all know that these candles can move pretty quick, and without the right strategy, knowledge, and money manager tools, you can empty your pocket options account real quick. So I have an incredible tool that will help everybody have more winning days than losses. It is called the Ultimate Money Manager. All right. Here it is right here. This is the Ultimate Money Manager in all its glory. And this is going to help you have more winning days than losing days. That is simple. How it works is, so ultimately we're going to use this information right here, all these white boxes that we're going to enter in some info into the Ultimate Money Manager, which in turn you're going to use on your pocket options and or any binary options site actually. But so what we're going to do is we're going to start with our account balance right here, 250 bucks. That's what I'm going to start with, 250 bucks. Okay. And this you can change between 2 and 15 total trades. Okay. And you're going to look for your winning target. So how many wins are you going to get to complete a level? Okay. How does this work? So whenever you start to change these numbers, this number over here changes. So it automatically calculates for you. So I am going to start with, I'm going to start with 10 and 2. Okay. I want to earn around 2% per day. If I can gain 2% per day, it will compound in the long run exponentially. So let me just run this through so you can see. I know 2% per day. Oh, that's not a lot. Look, I'm only going to make $5. That's right. Would you rather win than lose? Yes. Would you rather have your account go up than go down? We'd want it to go up. Okay. So when you are inside of pocket options or binary options or TradingView, anything that you're trading, the longer you're exposed to the market, the more susceptible you are to losses. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this tool to gain and then call it a day. All right. So in OTCs, in OTC pairs, it is a 92% payout for the most part. Yes, it's going to fluctuate. You just want to make sure that you're trading 92%. Right? This is my profit target. If I change this to 7, then I'm on 3%. If I change it to 15, then I'm 6. Okay. But I want to earn around 2% per day. That's my goal. Okay. So I got 250 bucks. I'm setting my trades, my max trades for this level to 10 and my wins to 2. What's going to happen is I'm going to enter this 171 into pocket options, which here's my starting balance. Here's my my first trade. Okay. $1.71. I'm on a 92% pair. Okay. Right. Now, what I'm going to do is I need to complete 3 total levels. So this is my daily goal. My daily goal is $5 at 2.29%. Okay. So that means 3 levels. What a level is once you complete 2 trades, so whatever your target is here, you want to complete on this side, which will then show up right here. So watch this. I'm going to choose lose, win. That's it. So 151.21. I can't bet pocket options I can't bet pocket options under $1. So in this instance, this would be considered a win. I will complete this level and I will bring this back to the starting point. So now I have 251.21 cents because that's what that showed. Now my starting is $1.72. So, and if I win this, then I'm done. So I'm at 252.79. I change this to 252.79. and I make this a 2, I've completed 2 wins. All right. So now that I have 252.79, okay, we're going to bring this back to square 0. And now I would enter in pocket options $1.73. So I would go, maybe I lost this one, maybe I lost this one, maybe I lost this one, and I won that one. Okay, so I will enter 1047 into pocket options. As I'm losing, it shows you what percentage you lost and how much it is affecting your balance. So 1.27%. My next trade is 585, which I would enter into pocket options. I won. So, and then I win this one. Okay, so that brings me to 254.72. All right, 254.72 would be an increase of 1.93%, which is almost my 2%. I made my $5, almost my $5. I am done for the day. That's it. I made my 2%. I'm done. Close up shop. Come back tomorrow. All right. That's the power of this tool. Okay. You're going to set your stop loss at 15, 20, 25, whatever you want, 30, 40, 50. Set it. Set it and hit it and stop for the day. All right. Let's do some live trading with this tool. So we're going to start out by 250. Okay. And I am going to change this 11 and 3. No, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to change it to, let's do 9 and 2. And let's make this $7. Okay. 9 total trades. I need to win 2 out of 9. That's all I need to do is win 2 out of 9. Okay, we're going to give this a go. This is going to give me a growth of about 2.91%. My level info, okay, this means when I complete the level, it'll be $253.64, and it will be a growth of 1.46. All right, so let's go. My stop loss is 187.50. So when this number gets to 187.50, it'll light up red, and I'm done for the day. All right, let's make this happen. So let's enter 319. Let's enter 319. All right, now that is started. So what are we going to do today? We are going to use the Fast 5. This is the 5-second hack, they call it, and it has been around for a while. Lots of people have been using this strategy. I'm going to show you how it works. We're going to set it up. We're going to give it a go, and we're going to have a profitable trading day. Here we go. Okay, first things first, we are going to go over here and we're going to pick our pairs. Our goal here is to line up all of the 92%, okay, across the top, because we want to be ready to change our charts quickly. Okay, all 92s ready to go. What is the setup? Normal candles, 30-second candle. Every single one of these candles is 30 seconds, okay? Enable timer. Because in this specific trading strategy, we are going to use the timer to trade at 25 seconds. Okay, so it's a 30-second candle, and we're going to enter a trade after 5 seconds in the same direction of the color. When the new 30-second candle hits, if it's green, we're going to buy. If it's red, we're going to sell at the 25-second mark. Okay, so that's what that means. We want to make sure the timer is enabled. Sorry, I can't talk tonight. Okay, and our expiration time is 5 seconds. So that's why they call it the Fast 5. We are going to move real quick. So you gotta hang on and pay attention. Okay, let's go through the charts. So we're gonna start here at the top. We're gonna make our way across. So we're on our first chart. And let's look at the chart. What is it doing? We want to make sure that we are not zigzagging or chopping along. Okay, chopping means that the chart is trending sideways. Okay, this chart is not trending sideways. Look at this. This is a huge bump up. I think we want to get this one. 25. Let's see what happens here. 3, 2, 1, and that was a win. Our first trade of the session was a win. Sorry guys, I hopped into that super quick, And the reason why is because this had a huge pump. And when I saw this was a couple red candles here. This was pushing down. I thought it was a good opportunity to get in. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit win. We cannot get the second, sorry, we should make that 0. We cannot get the second win in this strategy or in this money manager tool. We cannot get a second win because it is under $1. Pocket options, you cannot bet $1. So what is our balance? We are at $252.93, which is what it says right there. So we will enter 252.93. And what level? We finished level 1. So now that I have earned about a 1.46%, that is more than enough for me. Making 1.5% per day would be more than enough for me. That means that we would be at around 7% per week if you traded 5 days a week. And that would be, 28% per month at 4 weeks. That would be astonishing. That would be a very good trading month. But since we're going to go for our 2.91%, this is what we're after, or around 2.91%, we have one more level to complete. So we are going to reset this. We have our new balance set in here, which says right here, 252.93. So our first trade is 323. Okay, so we're going to change this to 3.23. 3.23. So now what we're going to do is we can stay on this chart if we want, if we think we like it, if it's looking good, but we do have some long wicks here and the candles are moving. Let's see here. If this pushes up, this could be a good opportunity here. This is a long, strong green candle. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, 1, and that popped back down. So that's a loss. Okay, we're going to enter a loss. Well, that was very volatile, that one. So 5.90. Okay, we're going to enter 5.90 here. 5.90. Sorry about that. Hit the mic. Okay, 5.90. We are ready. This is red, green, 6, 5. We're going to take this one. 2, 1, and that was another loss. Okay, I am a bit too loose here, but I'm showing you guys how this works, so we're going to do it. All right, so we had another loss, 10.55. All right. So after 2 losses in a chart, I am moving on to another chart. So we're going to move on to another chart and we're going to look for setups now. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how we're going to look for a decent setup here. And let's start over here. So ideally the goal is to, let's get rid of this 78. What we want to do is we want to see where is the chart. If you look a little bit to the left, you can see a little bit about what the history of that chart was, which will maybe give us some indication of what the future chart is. Okay, so if you look to the left here, we can see that this is going to, or this is the top. Let's call this the resistance. We are hitting the resistance, not breaking through and coming back down. If you look at this candle here, we are sputtering around here. Okay, it wants to push up, but it's not, it's coming back down. So let's see, do we think this is gonna come back down? Well, 25, let's see. 3, 2, 1, and there's a win. So again, charts, understanding how charts work, understanding how candles work, understanding what support and resistance is will be a huge factor in you having a better opportunity to having a winning percentage. But even still, what I wanted to show you with this chart and with this tool is even with losing, you can still win. Okay, so I won that one. Now we have to win 2 to get out of here. And because this is over $1, we're going to hit 338. So 338. 3.38. Okay. Now, our job is to win the next one. That's the goal. We want to win the next one. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for a chart that looks like, so we have lots of green candles here. We are pushing up. This was, oh, look at this big drop here, big push, it sputtered, and then another big push. So let's wait and see what this candle looks like here, because this is our new resistance here, 29, 8, 7, 6, 5. So I don't like that. See that? It fluctuated, red, green. We're a choppy market. We're not into that. We're moving on to a new chart. However, let's watch this. We have a big red. We got a big push down. So this is a huge push down candle. So sellers are dragging this down. So let's give it a second. Let's wait. Let's see our new candle. What is it? Red, green, 28, 6, 5. Okay, probably may have gotten into this a little bit too soon. Nope. Hey, there we go. Another win. So that completes our evening. We have now completed 2 levels. We are now at 256.62, 256.62, and we are done for the day. That is it. We gained, let's see what our calculator says. Okay, so we got our calculator out here. Let's show you what we gained. So I actually think we're closer to like that 2.7% today. So let's go. That's 250, right? Times 2.7% equals 675, not quite. So 2.7%, not bad. So we're probably at about 2.5% growth tonight. 2.5%. So let's check this out. Look at this 90-day growth chart. This is $250 over 2%. So we gained $6.62 today. So I can change this to 256.62 because that's what we gained today. 256.62. And then it will automatically update. The power of this tool is incredible. Honestly, it really is. Look at this. If you were to start with $250 and you gained $50 month 1, $60 month 2, $72 month 3, this is 20% monthly. Just on 20% monthly, your $250 would now turn into, at the end of, let's say the first year, if you were to gain 20%, your $250 is now at $2,229. And you're gaining $371 per month. What would $271 per month do for you? Yeah, it would be a little bit of a change in my life. I could get a new car, I could get something. Anyways, guys, that is how the money manager works. That is how trading with it and showing losses is an incredible way to de-escalate your stress and emotions while using a tool to automatically give you the numbers. All you need to do is focus on the charts. That's it. I appreciate you stopping by. Like and subscribe if you haven't. Come on over to the Telegram group. Join in the conversation where I have a lot of people just like yourself that are engaged, wanting to use the tool, using some of the strategies, sharing their wins, their losses, pictures, videos. Come on over, check it out. Love to have you. Thanks for stopping by. Have a good night.